It's warm outside as I cross Grand. I'm heading to my first college class. The classroom doesn't really look any different. I thought a college classroom would be more exciting, just like I thought it was cold year-round in Minnesota. I take a seat near the front of the room. The professor walks in, and I have my notebook and pen out. I am ready. The hour goes by. I wasn't ready. I left that room with a little less jump in my step. I sat in 3 more rooms just like that first one, and after my last class, I laid in bed and counted the cracks in my wall. It's May, and I'm counting the cracks in my ceiling back home. I'm reminded again about the luxury of college. I don't want to think about it, but I do. I want to bring my 3 meals and security I have back at college to my family. My room doesn't look the same, and my house doesn't look the same, and I'm not the same. I even sound different. I didn't need my parents to tell me I talk differently. I heard it. I'm hoping the cracks in my ceiling motivate me to go back for a second year. I noticed that there are more cracks in my ceiling in my dorm this year than on any of my ceilings before. But I stopped counting the cracks. I prefer the cracks in my ceiling back home anyway. I am back for my second year, dreading sitting in the classroom. I take my place in the back of the class. I write down everything the professor says. But that's as useless as I feel. I can still feel the frustration of my professors when I ask the same question again and again. But I ask anyway. I can still feel the condescension of my peers when I say a word wrong. But I say it anyway. I can still feel the confusion over the phone when my parents ask about my day. But I tell them anyway. And they listen. I still feel the doubt I have in myself. But I cross campus each day and move a little closer to the front of the classroom. And maybe tomorrow, I'll raise my hand.